Hi, today we're going to see how to make Idli Podi. The only step in this recipe is to dry roast all the ingredients until golden brown. We need to roast them separately because the size of the ingredients differ. Here I'm not removing the stem of the chili because if you remove it, the seeds might come out and they might burn before the chili is cooked. Once all the ingredients are dry roasted, allow them to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before grinding them. Before grinding, remove the stem of the chili and skin of the garlic as well. Add a little salt as per your taste. You can grind it into a fine powder or coarsely.